Hello students, my name is Prashant and I am taking mathematics for 7th standard. So far in last class uh, I discussed about exercise 1.2 first main, and today I am going to deal with the second main. Okay, second main. In second main total 3 questions are there, A, B, C. I will read question for you all and I will solve the solution. Okay, please pay your attention. Second main, A question, write pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Now yesterday there is only just single condition, sum is plus 8, difference is minus 7, and they are not giving any direction to use negative integer or positive integer. You can choose any integer, but you must get that sum or that much of difference. But here one more condition, or the conditions are increased. Look here, write pair. You have to, pair means you have to write two integer. Pair of negative integers means you should not choose any positive integer as well as 0 also. Okay, means you have to use only negative integer. Write pair of negative integer whose difference means subtraction only, difference gives 8. Okay, difference 8 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವೆರಡೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ 8 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಥರ ಇರುವಂಥ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸದ್ದು ಪೇರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ the answers of each and every student must be same, because there are many combinations I discussed in last class. Therefore you have to choose one combination of your choice, or in which you are comfortable. It is better to choose single digit or double digit rather than going for a 3 digit or 4 digit number. Let's try this. Question number 8. Okay, first, pair means you have to write two numbers, two blank place. Difference, pair of negative integers, means its sign is fixed now. Both, still we need to find out that number, but its sign is fixed because they are telling negative integers whose difference means the operation is also fixed. Answer gives 8. Now by trial and error method. What do you mean by trial and error method? In rough you have to try. If error comes, if your answer is not correct, once again you have to try. This is called as a trial and error method. By trial and error method, by using common sense, you have to think which number supports or which number fits in these blanks. Okay, so look here, difference 8. If you want to get difference 8 and answer is positive, answer is positive means larger number must have positive. Okay, so minus into minus gives plus, therefore the number which is here must be larger. Therefore by subtracting which two numbers you will get 8, it's of course 10 and 2. 10 and 2, it's a common. There are many ways you can get 8, but 10 minus 2 is a better option. So 10 is larger, I will put 10 here, and 2 I will put 2 here. Try now, just in rough you have to try. Minus 2 minus into minus plus 10 come outside, minus 2 plus 10, subtraction, 10 minus 2 will give you 8 and greater, plus 8 plus 8. Therefore our answer is what are the two integers whose difference, what are the two negative integers whose difference is plus 8? They are minus 2 comma, don't take this sign, this is operator, minus 10. This is our first answer. Okay, note down this much, and by pausing the video you can try the next one. If you don't understand, you can start the video. It is just like a homework only, you can do it. Now I will go for second question, that is B, question number B. Question B. Okay. Write a negative integer and a positive integer. Again conditions are there, one negative integer and one positive integer whose sum means plus, whose sum is minus 5. This time they are not telling you to write two negative integer, but you have to choose one negative integer, one positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Means two numbers I have to find whose sum means operation is fixed plus, and among those two numbers one is negative, another one is a positive, and answer is minus 5. Just think, by adding this is not possible, because when one negative one positive is there, addition will not take place. By adding two number, by adding which two numbers you are going to get 5, it will not work here, because when two integers having different sign, what will happen? Subtraction, of course. So then by subtracting which two numbers you will get a 5, you have to think. By subtracting which two numbers you will get 5? Of course 10 and 5. 10 and 5. And which sign answer is having? Answer is having minus. Means among this 10 and 5, the greater number must have minus. Then only the answer will get minus. Therefore I will write minus, I will write 10. In place of here I will write 5. Just to try this whether you will get minus 5 or not. Minus 10 as it is, plus into plus, minus 10 plus 5, answer is minus 5. Right? So what are the two integers? What the two integers must, among those two integers, one must be negative, another must be positive, and its sum, and the sum of this negative and positive integer must be equal to minus 5. So that pair is minus 10 comma plus 5. I hope you understood. Okay, take note down this much. You can write this much in classwork. Next, third one, question number C question. Write a negative integer and a positive integer. Again here you have to take one negative integer and one positive integer whose difference is minus 3. One negative, one positive, whose difference is minus 3. Means two blank place. Among these two, operation is fixed. Difference means which operation? Negative operation. Minus. Among these two, one is a negative, another one is a positive, and answer must be minus. If one negative, another one positive, but minus into plus will give you minus. Therefore both numbers will become minus. Ultimately if both numbers become minus, you have to add them now. So you think, by adding which two numbers you will get a 3. This is one way. By adding which two numbers you will get 3? It's common sense, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And among these two, the answer is then which number must have which sign? You can decide that by looking at answer's sign. The answer sign is minus. Means among 1 and 2 must have minus. Then only answer will get minus. Okay. Therefore, what I will do, I will write 2 here and 1 here. Just solve it whether I will get minus 3 or not. So one is negative, another one is positive. Solve it. Minus 2 minus into plus will give you minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 will give you minus 3. Therefore the pair of integers which satisfies this whole condition is minus 2 comma plus 1 is a pair. Okay. So you note down this much. You can take a screenshot.